welcome back. So today we are going to be going over my April kit lineup for my memory planner. So we're just gonna dive right on into it. And I need to open up the book here. It's my mom's birthday. So I think I'm gonna do this one next. Yeah. So I have these in order now. Okay. So no, I will not have them in order. All right. So for the first week, the March 30th through April 6th, I'm going to be using this kit from the Planner Pixie Co. This is Cindy. I've had this kit forever and I just really want to use some of my kits, and I really like the colors in this. They're very muted, but we have our 8 full boxes, our bottom washi date dot, or our bottom washies, our date covers, and a extra full box, our solids, our patterns, our bottom washi, or our glitter headers, sorry. We have like our sidebar and functional page with decorative washi. We have some little things, flags, squares, and the 3 boxes. And then we have our deco, date dots, weekend banner, and some icons and movie marquee. So this is a really old format from her. But anyway, I had it and I want to use it. I will be pairing this foil bundle with a pixie pack, and this is 015 in gold. So we have 2 pages of our overlays and our header overlays, our bottom, oh my goodness, I cannot speak, our bougie boxes, our bottom washi and date dots, and then our scripts and foiled icons. So that will be for the first week. I don't have foil for all of these because I need my Plannahannah order, but the next one I am going to be using a Plannahannah foil bundle for this kit. I have it written down, maybe. Let me see. Oh, that's right. Okay, so I'm going to be using the popcorn bundle with blue tie-dye. I think it's going to look super cool with this. And this is from Crass Press. This is a drive-in and it was a subscription. So we have our 8 full boxes here. I won't be using this page. We have some functionals as well as 2 more boxes. We have our solids. We have some solids and patterns. We have our deco sidebar and some icons. We have our little things page. We have little things headers and glitter headers, bottom washi and date covers, as well as more fashion options in different skin tones, hair color, and the popcorn bowl. So I will be using that kit for the week of the 7th through the 13th. Next, I'm going to be using this kit from Scribble Prints Co. I'm getting the Plant Mama kit in navy for this one. And I'm using this for the week of the 14th through the 20th. And the 14th is actually my mom's birthday, and my mom has a really big green thumb, so I thought this kit would be awesome. This was the November 21 mystery from Scribble Prints Co. So we have our 8 full boxes, we have our tall box and our square boxes, our deco with flags and sidebar elements, glitter headers, We have some rounded boxes, our solid boxes, our patterned boxes, and this is an older kit format. So she doesn't even hadn't divided the washi yet. But we have an extra full box, our date covers and bottom washi. We have more functionals plus 2 extra Fashion Girls, as well as the 15mm and more boxes, because this was a mystery kit. So I will be using this Plant Mama kit with a Plant Mama foil bundle in navy from Hannah. And then I have the 21st through the 27th from Crass Press. I'm going to be using this January mystery kit, which is called Spring Cleaning. I believe this was from 2024. I'm going to be using bronze for this kit, and I'll be using the cleaning bundle from Plannahannah. So let's go through this kit. So we have our 8 full boxes here. We have our 15mm washi. We have our flags, deco, and boxes. Our solids. Our patterns. Rounded boxes, some bigger little things, and our glitter headers. I think ice and navy would look really cool with this one, but I might do like ice underlays or an ice and navy underlay over top of it, underneath the bronze. Haven't quite decided, but we have our sidebar element. We have some little things and headers. We have another full box, date dots, and header overlays for our days of the week. We have some fashion options, a tall box, as well as extra Fashion Girls with different skin tones, hair colors, and a extra full box that has nothing else with it. And that is that kit. So this is really fast for a video, but those are the kits that I plan on using for the month of April for my memory planner, and you will see me lay down the bases and everything else when the time comes. So I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.